Approaching a dock at night can be harrowing. Lighting it can be tricky, especially if there's no handy power supply. Not to worry, DockEdge has over 20 solar-powered LED dock lighting options that require no external power source whatsoever. Just bolt them down, let the sun charge them up, and wait for night to arrive. And your dock will never be dark again. Our solar lights range in brightness from a modest 5 lumens all the way up to 45 lumens each, with as few as 4 LEDs or up to 20 LEDs depending on how bright you want to make your dock. Runtimes range from 8 hours all the way up to 20 hours, allowing you to keep your dock lit even during the darker shoulder seasons. Some provide 360 degrees of light, while others can be directed across the dock or even pointed down from a post to minimize light pollution. If you want to get fancy, our new solar-powered underwater kit can be programmed in 7 different colors. Not sure which light is right for you? Our lighting legend makes it easy to decide by indicating the number of LEDs, lumens, runtime, application, and even battery pack type. For more information, visit our website at DockEdge.com and light up your dock tonight.